house to his house for his birthday party, but now the party is moved to a park, so he's out there helping, and we're not gonna go. I'm not gonna go. I'm not really into that kind of environment that's just me. I'm more laid back now. Yeah, so my son is out there helping as much as possible. But yeah, so yeah. I don't know what else to say, but yes. Okay. See you guys. A ver, ¿por qué están enchilados?
Pues nada.
Ponen laguneros. Muy.
Me hizo llorar.
¿Por qué estás llorando? No era la botella. Mira, Lalo ya casi. Échale otra mordida.
No. Ya nos bajó los pelos, güey. Ya se me bajó.
Ese es un tip para ustedes, los hombres que están bien borrachos o mujeres que tienen sus maridos bien borrachos. Dale un chile habanero.
Para que se despierten.
Con las moscas también. Y las moscas están saliendo, y la rexa, el tobito y la botella. A ver, alza la botella que estás tomando. Don Julio, que le hace llorar. No lo tomen porque hacen llorar esa botella. No tenemos el lager. Vente, lager. Espero que estamos cuidando. Come on. Okay, you guys, so now I'm making some kale chips. I haven't done this in a very long time. I have kale and I want to use it up before it gets ugly. I have some right here that I'm gonna wash. This one is already kind of, it's still good, but I'm gonna use it on the dog's food. Yes, dogs can have kale, which is great. Anyways, so this I'm gonna break it because I just washed it. So I'm gonna break it before I put in the ingredients, which is salt, pepper, nutrition yeast, smoked paprika, and some oil. I have vegetable oil. I don't have olive oil. But yeah, I'll show you how it looks like after. Some smoked paprika. And I'm not measuring, as you guys can tell. You can measure if you want, but it's up to you. So I'm just incorporating everything, making sure it's all together. All right, it looks good. Looks like it needs a little bit more oil. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. Okay, so I'm gonna put my oil, pepper, salt, nutritional yeast. I love nutritional yeast, so I'm gonna put it a lot. I'm gonna be generous. Just like that. This is a little trick that I learned throughout the years. Years ago, I used to work as a caregiver, and older people love to watch cooking shows. So I learned it. I want to say Rachel Ray, probably not. I don't know who. Food Network. Okay, now I'm gonna put everything in here. And I'm just gonna spread it out so it could cook evenly. I have my oven on 300 degrees, and I'm gonna cook it for 20 minutes. Of course, I'm gonna be flipping it in between. So yeah. Okay, the oven is almost 300 degrees. I'm just gonna put it in there. Might as well, because I used it earlier. So yeah. Turmeric, black pepper, 3 cups to 4 cups of rice and chicken. The reason why I put the carrots now is because they take a little longer to cook. As you can tell, looking good. Need more. Okay, I just put in the broccoli. Now I'm gonna put the kale. This is gonna cook down. We may have to add more liquid, but we'll see. Let me put more. I think that's enough for now. Once it cooks down, I'll add more. Looking good for the dogs. Just gonna cover it. I just have this bunch. I'm just gonna throw it in. Might as well. Nothing's gonna happen. Just cook it down. That's it. Let's it a little bit more so it's on medium high. It's good. Okay, this came out. I know I just looks pretty good. Let me get my handy dandy. Oh yeah, this is great. Try it, guys. Okay. I was trying to put a stand on you guys. Anyways, I just got out of the shower, as you can tell, and I'm gonna do castor oil on my face, my hands, my whole chest, my legs, not my legs, my feet, because they get dry. That's been helping me with my premenopause situation. My skin is very, very dry. Apparently my scalp isn't, and I hope it won't, but it could be. It could get it. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know, and what else? And in this vlog, thank you so much for coming to my vlog. Please subscribe. That really helps me and my content, so others could reach me and see my vlogs as well. Like it, share it, and love it, please. what the new generations do. Okay, I used to do this, and then it went like this, and now it's, I have no idea. Something, I have no. Anyways, I have something in my eye that is bugging me. Oh my word. Anyways, I have my Bible here. I'm gonna put my church. I didn't go to church today, this morning. My son is in town, like I showed you. We did carne asada. We celebrate his birthday. Also, I just wanted to hang out with the family. And what else? And yeah, I'm just gonna watch church here and take my notes. I'm finishing some laundry, and then it's time to go to sleep. I'll take my tea, and about it tomorrow. Another week at work. So thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios. Okay, before I leave, I want to share with you guys. So what I do is I just put a little bit, and this goes a long way. I have it over a month. So it's a big bottle. It's 16.95 ounces. It's very thick. Well, the smell is not pleasant, to tell you the truth. This helps my dryness. Like, I've been drying a lot. If you have dry skin, or you know somebody who has dry feet like I do, just put a little bit. One pump is great, and just spread it as much as you can. I don't think this will make my eyebrows grow, because I haven't seen it growing or anything like that. I put a little bit like this, just a little bit. Then I go to my chest, because it has helped me with my wrinkleness down here. You know, as we get older, we get wrinkly right here, like that. And then whatever I have, I just put in my hands. I'm telling you, my hands look so beautiful. I'm not just saying that, it's true. Then another little pump I get, and I put it on the elbows, because you don't want cracky elbows. Then I just go like this, because this could get dry. And that's it. Oh, and I'm gonna do my feet. But yeah, just want to share with you guys my easy nighttime routine. It's really good. I love this. Get your hands on castor oil. Do not get this on Amazon. It's fake on Amazon. Unfortunately, it is. Go to their website, Queens of the Thrones. I'll put in my description box. Also the website, so you guys could get your hands on this. They also have a roller, which you can roll it all over. I should be getting that, because I like to roll. It adds a little shine to it too. You know, collarbone. Anyways, alright, guys.